zombies in front of the firehouse right now.
Hold on, Tom. I got some more.
I'm getting killed.
Here comes mine.
That's weird. One of my fireworks is ruined.
Alright.
And I didn't set it off.
You find it?
I found matches, thank you.
Okay.
You got them down up there, Chris?
Yeah, I got 4 of them up here.
Alright, I'm coming.
In the time it took me to pull my matches out and try to light one, the fucking died, so. Oh, of course, now they're fine.
You got all the zombies coming down there.
I know, I see them flocking.
Wow.
I know I'm taking damage from it as I try to do it. Too close together. Ow.
Oh, thankfully I got it off in time.
My fucking match is wet again.
Brandon, I threw more matches on the ground.
It's gonna be wet again.
With more matches on the ground.
Good night, baby.
Somebody shooting?
Me.
Not me.
Okay.
How can you tell?
Yeah,
I can just, cause I'm close to him, I can hear it.
Oh, Chris, it ruined the fireworks that were next to it.
Did it?
Yeah, that's what happened to mine too.
Wait, you put them too close to each other?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's me.
Oh, God.
Damn.
That's
Did you turn off all the lights, Andrew?
Yeah, because you guys were having problems with the...
Oh no, turn it back. I wasn't close enough. I wanted to see what it's like when I'm all lit up.
Hold on.
Jesus Christ, I can't get them lit because it keeps raining.
wow.
That was quite the 4th of July.
And now the sun's been turned back on. Oh.